boys, let me read you another book. Sit down.
Oh,
Jesus. Take a seat. Look, you sit there, I'll sit here. Welcome. This book is about Ikea. Yeah? The place we're in right now, right? Yeah. How strongly concept and low prices, quality and design for a general public is good family, limited time, I think I better get my reasons. Yeah. Did you understand any of that?
What's that? Fucking hell, what's that, mate?
Did you understand anything I just said?
I didn't know. So you need to do that then, mate. You need to. that's your thing, mate. You can.
Wait.
Listen here, it's gonna get fucking violent.
Where are we?
In Ikea, you dickhead.
Well, that's a bit of you, isn't it? What? That sort of mirror's a bit of you.
Oh wait, okay.
Oh, cameraman, you fell for the bait,
To
mate.
do your red tube. To do your red tube on. What's that? That photo booth? Oh, that's not.
Photo op. Still someone's shopping.
Wait, show a moonwalk. Go on.
Go on.
I'll see how it's done. Oh, I get the girls frothing.
Cameraman's chasing me.
Help me!